Hi, welcome back once again to my channel. So today we'll be learning how to develop financial modeling using scenario analysis. So sometimes when you are developing financial modeling, you may like to present different options to the users. So for example, we have here revenue for the month, where we have the revenue for month 1 up to month 12. And again, so some depending on the state of the economy, so we have here the base economy, which is the same as the normal economy in the West, and then the best economy. So these are the prices that we are likely to charge for our training courses depending on the state of the economy. So assume you have the base case, you're going to charge $500 per month per student. Then again, assuming we are in the state of West case or West economy, these are the prices that we can charge. Then assuming the economy is booming, these are prices that we can charge for each student. Then again, depending also on the state of the economy, then we may also experience the enrollment to also correspond. So this will be the base case. Assuming the economy is not doing well, we expect the number of enrollment should be reducing. Then assuming the economy is booming, doing well, that's the base case. These are the number of enrollments for each month. So now, in order to project the revenue for each month, we multiply the available state of the economy, the price that will be available, multiply by the enrollment, depending on the state of the economy as well. So when you multiply that, give out the revenue for that month, and then the corresponding months as well. So for example, here, if it's a base price, then to be hot, the base number of students. Then if it's a worst case price, they also expect what the worst case enrollment numbers. Then if it's a best case price, they will also expect what the best case enrollment to be available. Multiply by this, we give us the total revenue for that month. So now, in order to be able to develop the life cases or the assumed state of the economy, then we have to use some various functions. So we'll be using index and left, and then data validation to create the options to select the various states of the economy. Okay, so let's start by creating. So you can create a life case. So this represents the state of the economy. Then you put your cursor here, you click on data, then you move to the ribbon for the data tools. Then you click on the drop down, you select data validation. Then by default, the criteria is showing any value. So let's click on the drop down there, select a list, then you click on the source. From the source, you highlight the three states of the economy. Enter again. So now we have here the option to go to select the base case. So now we are saying that whenever the state of the economy is normal, that's the base case, then the price of the base case should be available. Then that price should also what, multiply the base enrollment as well. Then again, assuming the economy is what, worst performing, then the price should be falling. So this price will be available for each month. Then they will also expect the corresponding number of students that will be also available based on the worst state of the economy. Then finally, assuming we are in the best case of the economy, then these are the price that will be available, the life price that will be available, that will multiply the corresponding number of students that will also be available depending on the state of the economy as well. So in order to create the life case, we use a left and index and left function. So let's start typing equal to the index. So referring to the array, so you highlight all the three sets of the economy options here, the prices are available here. Tap comma and start typing left. Then you highlight this. So let's anchor this reference point as a live case for each of them. So always the state of economy will be making reference to a live case before it will display the corresponding prices that will be available for that state. Alright, so now we can drag this to the last month. So as you can see here, the live case is what? The best case. So the best case scenario prices are what? $700 per month. So as you can see here, this is the live price for that state. Then again, assuming we move to the base case, as you can see here, this is the what? The base case prices, and this represents the live one available for that state of the economy. Then assuming we are in the worst case, then we expect the price to also be available. That will also multiply the number of students that will be available for that corresponding month. Okay, so we can just copy this formula here and then input it as well. Control V to paste. Then let's drag again. So let's change this to whole numbers. Okay. Alright, so as you can see now, the state of the economy too, these are the numbers that we are expecting here. So 100 for the first month, and it will be decreasing in that order. So let's also change all of them to the base case. So as you can see here, so this will be the best case price here, which is the live one, multiplied by the number of students that will be available for the base case scenario, which is this one as available. So these are the live enrollment for each month. So as you can see here, you are able to project the revenue depending on the state of the economy. So let's change this one to the worst case. You can see here the worst price multiplied by the worst enrollment, then the base case as well. Okay. So now we also like to see that the state of the economy without making reference to what is being selected here. We want that whenever we select this, it should be a live case and then give us the corresponding details. So you can also change here to is equal to. Then let's use the quotation mark here. Then again, let's close this and use the happy sound. Let's type mid. Then let's point to the reference to the economy state. Then let's make it 1. Then 100, meaning we were selecting everything there. Good. So now as you can see here, so the base case, so when you select the worst case to you should update. So we know that this price here is representing the worst case price. Then we can also do the same thing here. Let's copy this and also paste here as well. So let's drag this to this, enter. So as you can see here, so now we are able to see the live case based on the prices, and then so this will pick the base case number of students as well. Then if it's a worst case or the best price, the base case you can see here. Okay, so this is how we are able to develop scenario analysis, and then this, so whenever the state of economy, we are able to get the projected revenue for that month or for that period. And then so being able to develop scenario analysis will help people to prepare for the best, and also plan for the worst as well. Thank you very much for watching the video. See you again in the next session.